What will win in a drag race between a Ford F-150 Raptor R and a Tesla Cybertruck? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Car Wow. Now let me tell you about this Ford F-150 Raptor. I'm here at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. Actually, considering I'm in Texas in a Ford F-150 Raptor, I feel like I need some appropriate headwear. It's probably not quite right, but it's the closest thing I've got to a Stetson. Yeehaw! Hey boy! We're gonna whoop some ass today! Sorry all you Americans watching, that was a dreadful accent. Sam, you're right.
I'm better than you, I think.
Yeah, I've got a hat on and shouldn't really be laughing at me because there's a hat in there for you in your car. Can you put your hat on, please?
Yeah, I like this hat, it's good.
That's a fisherman's hat. That's why it says what it does on the front of it.
Yeah, we got it from a bait shop.
That's the wrong hat. There's another hat in there that I actually want you to wear, which is more like my hat. Please, can you put that hat on?
Okay.
How big is your head?
Yes, I do have a big head, but this is like a child's hat.
Can you put it on your head, please? You see, the reason we're wearing these hats is to illustrate just the performance of these cars, because they might throw us back in our seats and our hats will get crushed, or the G-force could actually flip the hat off your massive head. We'll see what happens.
I can feel how it's just gently perching like a pigeon on the top of my head. This is going to go in the back seat.
Let's move on from the hats to talk about the stats of the vehicles. This Ford F-150 Raptor R has a 5.2 litre supercharged V8, which puts out 700 horsepower and 870 newton meters of torque. Driving all four wheels via a 10-speed automatic gearbox, it weighs in at 2.7 tons and costs $109,000. Give me those Tesla stats, please. You look a little bit like Woody from Toy Story.
That's a brave statement coming from you and your stature.
But okay, I'll take it.
So this is the Tesla Cybertruck. It's a Cyberbeast edition, which is a tri-motor. So it's got two motors on the rear axle, one up the front. It's got 845 horsepower, 930 newton meters of torque, all-wheel drive, single-speed auto gearbox. It weighs 3,084 kilograms and a starting price of $96,000.
You know what? Let's just compare these cars' stats. Well, trucks stats side by side. Before we get into the racing, if you like these videos and you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss our next upload. We've got something really cool coming you won't want to miss out, so subscribe now. Anyway, let's do the Car Wow customary sound check. So I'm going to rev up this V8. Oh, the whole thing shakes, it's wicked. But a supercharger, a lot of exhaust. Good luck competing with that in your silent electric car.
Yeah, I can't make that beautiful noise, I'm afraid.
Would you do the thing that we normally do, where you now have to make a noise? Emit your own noise to substitute the one lacking from your car. That sounds like one of the fart noises that they have on that Cybertruck. In fact, you could probably sell a license to that to Tesla and they could actually download it onto their system.
If Elon's in, I could go do a live demo for him.
I'm sure he'd love that. Like he hasn't got better things to do with his time. You could just go walk up to the man and just go... Anyway, let's get on with the racing.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, look at that Cybertruck take off.
Come on!
My goodness, I'm getting absolutely destroyed. Woohoo! That smug look while wearing that hat. You look like you need to be on a register.
People in glass houses, Mr. Watson.
Absolutely clear win. I think I could get a better launch though. Now my tyres have got a little bit of heat into them. I don't... No. The hat back on, please.
This is much more comfortable.
Come on, you know the rules. You'll be disqualified if you're not in the right hat.
I know the rules in as much as you make things up all the time, all day long.
Listen, get the other hat on. Anyway, let's do another race. New plan, I'm not going to hold it so long on the brake.
3, 2, 1.
Had a better start then. Woohoo! It's not going to be better than that. That was a good hook.
No hope.
Yeah.
You got a good launch though, I'll give you that.
Wasn't good enough though, was it?
No, this is really.
I make noises when this takes off. It's like on a roll. Woohoo!
Woohoo! This is real quick. It's just not quick enough. I think I could probably get a slightly better launch and run you a bit closer, but not by much. Let me just give it one more go, just to be sure.
If I let you have one more go, can I put on my fisherman baiting hat?
No.
My head is way too big and I'm squeezing it on so hard to keep it to stay, and it's only on the front of my forehead.
The exact opposite of what it's like for you and condoms.
What's a condom?
Yeah, I bet you wish you knew.
As soon as that came out of my mouth, I just knew that was coming.
You see, Sam's just had one child. I think his child's 9 months old. He's now got another one on the way. I'm going to build up all the boost, all of it. It's like a bucking bronco when you get it on full boost. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Frickin' frick! That was mega off the line. I just got dropped. This doesn't like braking.
That was so funny. It looked like you were still in the race.
You definitely won that.
Yeah, that was a good launch that time. Did you have a good launch?
It was an alright launch, it was alright. Let's do the thing.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.2 seconds. The Ford took 12.4 seconds.
Now we have a rolling race from 20 miles an hour. Manual mode for the gearbox for me. 3, 2, 1, go. This is actually really good.
Oh my God, my hat. Oh, my hat on.
Wow. But now it's over. What happened?
My hat came off.
This seems quicker.
Rolling, then off the line. Does that make sense?
Yeah, you won that. Brake test? I'm not going to win that either, but let's do it. I'm beating you in reverse. I'm winning the reversing race. Yeah.
I'm flat out.
This is doing like 26 miles an hour, and it'll go faster in reverse. It'll do 30 and more. 31 miles an hour in reverse. This is nuts. Here comes the finish line. Yay, that's a win for me.
For you.
It's a bit weird. So it's limited. So they've actually gone and limited it in reverse, because it makes no difference for the motor, does it? How good would it be if you could do launch in reverse?
I don't know, but you've lost one. Yay, here he is.
Another made up Matt Watson race.
Now we have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Truck which stops in shortest distance wins. Has your hat come off again?
Yeah, but I think I was a bit enthusiastic.
Can you put it back on, please?
Oh, sake.
Back on, hat back on.
It is on.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. I like you in that. It suits you. I'm not having a very good day. There is one last thing I want to do. I thought this race would be quite good. Me on tarmac, you on dirt, first to 100 metres.
Yeah, okay.
And you got to use proper launch control.
I know, that's what I'm worried about.
See what happens, right? Whoa.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Listen. We always do best 2 out of 3. Come on, give me one more go.
Okay.
How was that for you? Was it sketchy?
No, to be fair on this thing, it's amazing. I mean, it's proper loose, but this thing's just incredible.
I reckon I can get a better launch. I ran him close.
3, 2, 1.
Come on!
I had you then.
Optimistic launch, Mr. Watson, but I'll give it to you.
Might have been a bit cheeky. Okay, come on. This is the decider though, yeah?
Yeah, this is the decider.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no!
Come on!
Crap! You won.
Monsieur Watson, I do declare I beat y'all.
That was a brilliant accent.
You're gonna wear that hat for the rest of the day.
So then what exactly happened? Over the standing 100-metre race, the Tesla won. It crossed the line in 5.1 seconds. The Ford took 5.4 seconds.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know what you think of the Cybertruck by voting in the pinned comment. Click on the video windows for some more videos and on the CarWow logo to go to CarWow and see how these cars' quarter mile times compare to everything else we've ever drag raced. Sorry, they're trucks, aren't they? They're trucks. Anyway, go do that. Thanks for watching.